Centralized systems versus founder survival. Here's something most entrepreneurs don't realize. The biggest threat to your business isn't competition. It's actually centralized systems. When I was building Ready, Set, Go logistics, everything depended on systems that were completely out of my control. Banking systems, payment processors, insurance systems, legal systems, and when those systems work, everything is smooth. But when something goes wrong, the founder is usually the one who gets crushed. In my case, a false accusation triggered a chain reaction. Accounts frozen, operations disrupted, trust damaged. Even though the charge was eventually dropped, the centralized systems had already moved. And once those systems start moving, they don't stop just because the truth eventually comes out. That's when I realized something that most founders learn the hard way. If your entire business depends on systems you don't control, your business is more fragile than you think. Now, I'm not saying systems are bad. We need banks, we need legal systems, we need infrastructure. But smart founders build layers of protection around their business. Multiple payment rails, multiple partners, multiple operational paths. Because survival isn't just about growth, it's about resilience. That's one of the reasons I decided to rebuild my business in public, not just to show success, but to show how to rebuild smarter. In the next video, I'm going to talk about something even more important than systems, how a single moment can erase years of work overnight, and what founders can do to protect themselves. Because if you're building something, you need to understand how fragile success can really be. This video is part of my Rebuilding in Public series, documenting how I'm rebuilding my business after losing everything from scratch. Next episode drops soon. Subscribe if you want to follow the journey.